Oh, you gotta put this.
This has been going on for 1/2 hour, and I just now started shooting.
Shut up. I have no coordination. When I get this, I'm gonna celebrate.
Okay. Okay, I'm Bryce.
You're number 2. You're number...
I did it!
Okay.
Who's number 1?
I think we
Who's the moron? Is that what he said?
Where's the
Sure.
so hard I'm starting. Cheers! Come here! Let's
Hey, young lady.
How about I'm official?
When you show me your ID and it says you're 21,
Oh, I love
Brad.
Can I take somebody's spot? Yummy. Let's start all over again. You can sit over here. Bryce, come back and spin for us. I won. I'm spinning.
Let me try. Let me try.
It's
Funny, why?
Let's let the expert do it. Come on, Bryce.
No.
Liz.
Oops.
Oh, great. Okay, now come on.
This has got to be for real.
You broke his finger.
Revenge!
See, there's nothing like the real thing.
Can't do
This
it.
thing is rigged.
No, you don't. Watch. You don't push down at all. You just go out. You just go. It's that easy.
Okay, let me try.
Are you doing this on purpose? Yeah, he is. Yeah, you can tell you.
Oh, that was
Okay.
master. That was master.
Oh, the ball flew. Oops.
That's pretty sad.
Okay.
I want you to go. Here, give me a video camera. I want to go see you do it. Here, give me a video camera.
Oh, no.
I'm not.
I'm done. I'm done. You
You
guys.
take
See,
this.
I'm Bryce. I like
Well, it's not easy to do it when your hand's in the way.
Let me see it. Let me see it. You go.